Hey, this is Mike. I got something neat I want to show you. What you're looking at is a laser. This is transparent ferroliquid, and then I'm shooting the beam through the transparent ferroliquid to a screen. I'm probably going to turn the light down on this and zoom in maybe. Let's see here. So if I put a magnet on the right side, you see this, and as I move the magnet all the way around to the other side, you get a full 360-degree rotation. Now the ferroparticles are 90 degrees out of phase of what you're looking at. So the laser line is this way. The ferroparticles within the ferroliquid are vertical, roughly vertical right now. So I'll move the magnet back and forth a few times. So it's a one. And if you look at the liquid, you can see it's pretty reactive. Now this cuvette is 10 millimeters square. So the beam is going through 10 millimeters of this ferroliquid. Let's see. So here's a armature out of an AC motor. And if I rotate it at the right angle, we'll get rotation in both directions. It's kind of like a contactless gearbox. Now the other effect is if I put the magnet this way and rotate it, I don't know if this will show or not. Let's see. The beam dims and comes back. So as I rotate, bright, dim, bright, dim. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. So right there is a magnetic light dimmer in the making. So the liquid itself is sweet almond oil and ferrofluid. The ferrofluid has to be EFH1. Hang on, let me move the camera. Grab something.